What's going on, guys? Chad here with Vertx today to tell you about our brand new Trailslacker Pants. These are the Trailslacker Pants, and they are bringing the Vertx DNA that you've come to learn and love, and we're bringing it to a fully synthetic new pant. And that fully synthetic pant has an innovative, remarkable fabric called 37.5 technology, which we'll get to here in just a little bit. But basically, knowing that this pant is all synthetic, it gives you the best of all worlds. You're getting comfort, you're getting durability, you're getting stretch, and you're getting functionality. So first, let's talk about the stretch. One of the big pros to this synthetic fabric is just the fact that you are able to move however, wherever you need. So if you're outdoors and you're hiking, if you're indoors and you're training, if you're training for something like a tactical games, these pants give you the durability and protection that pants give you, while also giving you the freedom and the stretch and the control and the maneuverability of athletic apparel. Along those lines, this fabric gives you moisture wicking, anti-wrinkle, abrasion resistance, and regulates your temperature, which is obviously huge when you're out doing active things. Next, let's talk about the 37.5 degree technology. So the fabric here is designed to help you regulate your temperature regardless of the situation that you find yourself in. So first of all, it's moisture wicking, so you don't have to worry about sweat. And then second of all, it's designed to keep your core temperature at 37.5 degrees and your humidity at 37.5% next to your skin. Because these pants are designed for those active scenarios, we wanted to make sure there was a very athletic fit. This includes things like articulating knees, a gusseted crotch, allowing you full maneuverability and range of motion regardless of what you're doing. And then it is fully CCW compatible. And to aid in keeping all of your EDC items close, we have 11 total pockets on this thing. We have cargo pockets with YKK zippers. We have sort of your standard pockets. We have smaller catch pockets inside those pockets. On the back, where you're generally keeping your wallet, we actually have a little catch built in there, like a little piece of fabric that covers your wallet so that it prevents it from falling out of your pocket. We also have yoke pockets, which we can use for like an AR magazine, for a cell phone, for a knife, just tons of functionality across all these pockets, so you can design your loadout however you desire. And then finally, we wanted to make sure we had some built-in protection there, so you are getting a UPF 40% protection from harmful UV rays. So once again, the Trailslacker Pant, built with 37.5 degree technology, is keeping you warm when you need it, keeping you cool when you need it, wicking the moisture away, giving you all of the range of motion and stretch needed for whatever scenario you find yourself in. These things are incredibly abrasion resistant and durable, wrinkle resistant. Take them anywhere with you. Go hiking on the mountain, not have to baby them. And of course, incredibly comfortable, something that you can wear all day, from the office to the mountainside to the range, wherever life takes you. Our Trailslacker Pants have got you covered. For more information on the Trailslacker Pant, go check out vertx.com.